India has registered around 2.75 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing the overall tally to the 1.5 crore mark. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll in the country stands at 1,78,793. Larger states such as Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka continue to record the highest number of cases in the country. Amid the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, the Hong Kong government announced that they are suspending flights from India, Pakistan and the Philippines from April 20th to May 3rd. The authorities stated that the decision was taken after the COVID-19 mutant variant was detected in few passengers who returned from these three countries. The Hong Kong government has further declared that the three countries will be categorized as extremely high risk. Around 50 Kumbh Mela visitors tested positive after returning to Gujarat. According to the officials, around 533 Kumbh returnees were tested for the virus at Sabarmati railway station in Ahmedabad. All those who tested positive have been admitted to various COVID care facilities in the city. Maharashtra Minority Development Minister Nawab Malik accused former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis of being involved in remdesivir mismanagement in the state. The NCP leader's remarks came after the owner of Brook Pharma Dokania was caught by the Vile-Parle police for allegedly holding 60,000 vials of remdesivir drug. Opposition leaders including Devendra Fadnavis stormed into the police station to rescue the owner of Brook Pharma. The former Chief Minister alleged that the drug company owner was harassed by the cops. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda will be campaigning in West Bengal ahead of the sixth phase of the assembly elections. Shah will be conducting two public meetings in Pandaveshwar and Chakulia. At the same time, JP Nadda will also hold two public meetings in the state. As the COVID-19 cases are increasing by the day in the country, TMC MP Derek O'Brien announced that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will not be campaigning in Kolkata anymore. The TMC MP also added that the party supremo will hold only one symbolic meeting on the last day of campaigning in Kolkata. Even Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has decided to stall all his rallies in the state amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. AstraZeneca officials announced that the company and Oxford University are working on modifying their existing COVID-19 vaccine to make it effective against the South African coronavirus variant. AstraZeneca's Austria country manager Sarah Walters said that they are confident in fulfilling their commitment of delivering 300 million doses to the European Union this year. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher took to Twitter and paid tribute to Hollywood actor Helen McCaury, who passed away on the 16th of April. The actor termed her death as tragic and saddening. Earlier, even Anushka Sharma mourned the loss and praised Helen McCaury for her stint in Hollywood. The news of Helen's death was shared by her husband Damian Lewis. The 52-year-old actor was suffering from cancer. Royal Challengers Bangalore defeated Kolkata Knight Riders by 38 runs in the IPL match. RCB star players Glenn Maxwell and AB de Villiers outperformed in the match. Even though KKR were off to a brilliant start, they lost their wickets at regular intervals.